Hey, it's your band is a business. I'm Cornelis, and this is my weekly vlog about being an independent musician. In a moment, I'm going to give you a quick tip for an easy way to get a good crowd reaction at your next show. But first, I'll just update you on what I've been up to over the past week. First of all, I performed at an open mic night on Tuesday, and then I secured another solo show for the end of the month. So on Friday, I'm performing a solo gig in South London, a half-hour set, and now I've got another solo gig organized for the end of the month in North London. What I need to do next is organize a band gig because I haven't had one of those in a while, so that's what I will be looking for this week. Other than that, the main thing I've been working on is getting organized because I want to create more social media content for my Cornelis Gerard profiles, and to do that, I need to be a bit more organized because you know what it's like when you're flipping through your phone looking for the right photos, the right videos, and it just wastes time. It's not efficient, it's not productive. So I've been organizing my files and folders, and things should be a bit more smoother now so that I can get what I want when I want it. And the weather's getting a bit better here in London. There are more sunny days happening, so it's time to get out there and create more content because I've got the songs that people enjoy. There's more songs coming this summer, and I just need to get them in front of people. This is my spring, this is my summer, so excited for it. Let's see. Okay, so the tip I have for you for getting for an easy way to get a good crowd reaction at your next show is by performing mashups. So mashups are when you take two songs and put them together and play them as one performance. And you can either do two covers, so two different songs by other artists, or uh, your own song plus a song from another artist. And for us musicians, this is not a difficult thing to do really, because we know that many songs share the same chord progressions or are in the same key, so it's easy just to flip back and forwards between two songs. But for people that are not musicians, this is amazing and magical. How do they do it? They must be so talented. There's a famous video of Ed Sheeran, an interview with him, where he plays the same chord pattern over and over, and he sings different melodies of pop songs over it, and the interviewer is amazed and the crowd is amazed, and it's just an easy way, I think, to get a good crowd reaction. And you have to see these things from the perspective of people that are not musicians, because to them, uh, playing crazy scales or using difficult chords is not impressive because they don't know that it's impressive. But putting two songs together, to them, that's amazing, and they will think you're much more talented and a better musician than you actually are, than if you learn some really difficult scale. So it's a good thing to do, if you, especially if you don't really want to do full covers, if you don't want to go down that route, then take one of your songs, find another song that's in the same key or same or shares the same chord progression, and then you can put them together. I would suggest, so play one song if it's your own song, and then maybe a verse and a chorus of another song, and then back to the original song, whether that's your own or another cover. Don't stretch it out and make it a whole one song, one performance that goes on for 7 or 8 minutes. I would keep it short, especially if you're at an open mic night and you're allocated a certain amount of time or certain number of songs. Don't think you can get away with performing longer songs. Oh, we're you're only allowed 3 songs, but your songs are all 10 minutes long. That's not fair. It's not fair on the other performers, and people see right through it. Don't think that people don't know what you're getting up to, right? So anyway, yeah, that's my tip for an easy way to get a good crowd reaction. And I would not rely on this all the time. Don't turn it into your musical persona, as it were. Oh, I'm the mashup guy or girl. Don't do that. But pull it out once in a while, and people will think you're a better musician than you actually are. So, yeah. Okay, that's it for today. I will speak to you guys later in the week.